Casabella did a kitchen flooring laundry and took down a few load-bearing walls to give us an open plan base.
We heard from Casabella through my brother. We already had a couple of other companies coming to give us quotes.
Yep.
And we had Casabella just want us all with the ideas.
We selected Casabella for their unique design what they gave us.
We found their Casabella ticked all our boxes, the wish list for laundry and kitchen.
We found Casabella really easy to work with, even through the lockdown.
We also had a look at Casabella's previous work that they have done, and we fell in love with their unique style and the finishes.
We wanted a planned kitchen space while retaining the laundry. Casabella was the only company that was able to tick all of our requirements in an attractive layout and design. Due to the lockdown, we weren't able to physically go and visit some of the showrooms, and Casabella organized some online product demonstrations for us. Now that we see the finished product, we are very happy with the decisions we made.
We're really happy with the services that Casabella offered us. There was an instant level of trust, and I think that would be key for us going with any renovation. And the finished product, we're just absolutely in love with it, which is how we're doing it.
If I were to recommend Casabella to anyone and they were renovating their forever home, I would say go with them. You will not be disappointed.